with you when you married your husband on Afro Introduction. You met him on the internet, a dating site. And not come your wedding. Your husband when they drink up and down like, what I don't know. I know, did you hear me say it? My dear, go and take care of your drunk husband and don't ever talk about me again. If you want to do PR for Johnson and leave me the hell alone. Johnson, if you do not bring letter of summon to Stella, then you are not ready. See your mouth like 1 billion. They talk the 1 billion. If you need money, Johnson, just tell Nigerians, let them do a GoFund so that they can give you the. Even me, when they look for money, I'm not even desperate like this. I don't sue your ass for $100 billion. Depends you cost me. Do you think your miserable 10 million and 20 million you people were calling would do anything to me? You know they see the money where they call. That's for me for taking care of things. So when I did there, they laugh. Yes, I'm going through it now. It's okay. It's for you guys to learn. I'm the face of the victims in the whole of Nollywood. All of them they hide and they take out their bullets. It's okay. Shebi when I don't see if I won't fight, when I'm ready to fight where. As you see me, so I know they pursue people. I don't need friendship. You telling me one friend, this one saying I said this person. Number one, is it Tonto? I can never call Tonto's name in any nonsense because she didn't do anything to me. And anybody who says I said anything about Tonto to them, they are as a lie. Because so wait, will say, even if we are not pally, we are solid. So she in 1 minute I look sick, 1 minute I don't look sick. I don't understand. How do they want me to look? The way I look, is it not enough for you? How do you want me to look like Stella? No. Okay, continue. Yeah. It has stopped. Okay. So then I left them and she now said, oh, why am I angry? I said, oh, because my dad had stroke and I sent him a message that I need some money. If I need money, he's the person. I don't understand the beggy you're talking about. Stella, have I begged you for money? I want you to say it if I've begged you for money before. Since you call me beg, so that I will know who and who I have begged. And let me tell them that I am sorry that I didn't know that they don't beg in their village. I'm not a Dangote family, so obviously, no matter how I have, I need to ask. So when you asked him for this money, you asked him directly or through Stella? No, she told me that, you know what, just to make peace, because he told her that I'm going to be angry right now, and probably I'm destroying some things right now, that's how I am. I like to destroy things that maybe now I'm angry. How would you assume I'm angry after this many years? You don't even know how I am right now. You are on WhatsApp with me and you can't turn your phone. Who are you feeling for? Maybe you Johnson again. Come out. So now, if I understand what you're saying, so after the issue of the money, I now left both of them. They now became best friends again. Wow. And moved me out of it. What about the money? What is going on? She said he's going to send you 5 million. Okay. And I said, okay, because I don't have anything to tell her, but okay. Since I already knew what she did, I sent her the message that it seemed like you played me and I fell into it. But I'm just happy that I brought them back together. Whether it's a lie or it's the truth. I brought them back together, which is just in this 2019? 2020. 2020, oh, during lockdown, oh. She used me to collect money for palliative, I wrote they call her. So he gave her 5 billion, is that what you're saying? Not me. Johnson told her, since he's ashamed now, you understand? He's ashamed that I heard what he said. What he said is in my story. You can watch it. What he said is in my story. It's an audio note. You know, he was insulting my mother. Because I asked for, he was insulting my father and my mother. I'm like, why would a pastor be insulting people? You are showing people that you give people money. Though most of them die, oh. I won't lie. All the people when you don't give money, where then they now? So even me ask him for money, self, you know, me to get as a bit. But then I didn't have anybody. Now he tell me no matter what, and I said it. Now instead I changed the thing. Then she now said he's going to send his 5 million. Blah blah blah. I said thank you. I left. I deleted his number from my phone. That one was right. I deleted it. So that I don't have to tell him what he said again. I don't want. So you understand, because this is about me. They are obviously trying to see where they will put me. You can hear them mentioning names and trying to fix me again in another thing. I know what I've gone through in my life. You cannot bring out people and say, this is what I said, and this is what I said. If I talk, if I like my talk, say 10 people do juju. If they not do, then they don't go talk, say them do.
Did he finally give you the 5 million?
He sent 2.5. She now said he sent 2.5 for. And I said thank you because I don't have anything to say. Somebody don't insult me. I told her no. She said no now. You can't do that now. You have to take it. But look at the way she said this. She said I was bombarding her. I was doing this, telling her to do that. Stella for waiting for just a matter. I can send him a message direct, you know. How yes, you know go answer. Not be you introduce me to Rama. No, do way carry him. If you want to marry him, carry go. What's all this? Stella, what is it?